Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a tutorial on this matte smoky eye look right here that I've created using the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions eyeshadow palette. So a lot of you might have palettes that look like this, basically eyeshadow quads or trios or just palettes that basically have different shades of the same tones. So you can use any of those palettes. So I have a couple of examples right here, you know, something like this which is from Chambord, something like this that has browns, it's from Dior, something like this that is from Maybelline. It's basically, the point is that it has different shades of the same tone. So you can use this technique right here that I have showed you in this video to create the exact same look using any of the eyeshadow quads that you might have. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and as always, if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you never miss a video from me. And if you do enjoy this video, then give it a thumbs up. Let's start. So I'm going to be starting off with that peachy shade, which I've decided is going to be the lightest color that I want to use for this look. Now from your eyeshadow quad, you can pick the lightest color and start to apply it like I am into your crease and above the crease. You want to make sure that this is very well blended and you get the intensity just right, because sometimes light colors don't show up very easily on our eyelids. Next, you want to move on to the next darkest shade in your eyeshadow quad and apply that into the crease and kind of start to bring it down on your eyelids, especially into the inner and outer corner of your eyelids. Now, this look requires a lot of blending, so ensure that you are blending all throughout this look. Moving on to the next darkest shade, which is that shade in my case. I'm going to apply that all over the eyelids. This time I'm making sure that I'm applying less in the crease and more all over the eyelids. Again, you want to make sure that it is intense enough. You want to build that color, otherwise it's not going to look as smoky as you'd like it to. Moving on to the last shade, which is the darkest shade, I'm going to take that on a flat brush this time and apply it all over the eyelid. Like you can see, these are all matte shades, so they're not showing up as dark as I would want them to, but I did add a lot of layers to ensure that it is as intense as I'd like it to be. Moving on, I'm applying this black Kajal pencil as an eyeliner. You don't need to worry about this being very neat, because we're going to smudge it out in our next step. And using a round blending brush, a smaller round blending brush, I'm just going to smudge that eyeliner out. Next, what I'm going to do is, to make it more intense, I'm going to be applying a matte black eyeshadow, any matte black eyeshadow, over that line that we just smudged out. And then using a blending brush and the darkest color that we applied, I'm just going to blend everything together, ensuring I don't go too high up in my eyelid. You want to make sure that you stick as close to the center as you can, and you want to make sure everything is very well blended. After this step, I kind of went ahead and completed my base off camera because this is an eye video. So then I'm taking that same Kajal pencil and I'm just going to apply it very well to my waterline, ensuring it's nice and intense. And then using that same brush which had some leftover color on it, I'm just going to smudge that lower lash line out to make sure it's nice and smoky and well blended. After this, I move to my mascara. I'm just going to apply a generous layer of this mascara on my top and bottom lashes. And after this, I kind of just went ahead and applied these falsies from NYX, which are the Be Wicked collection. As you can see, the eye look is done. We're moving on to the lips to complete this look. This is the NYX Suede lip pencil. It is in a beautiful nude and it is super pigmented, so it covers my darkness on my lips, on which I'm topping it with this NYX Liquid Suede. It is a beautiful nude color. Like you can see, it's so perfect, and this nude is just amazingly perfect for my skin tone. And we're done, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look and you saw how easy that was, and I'll see you in my next video.